Hello students, Sacred Heart High School welcomes you. Today we will study Chapter 6 Substances in Daily Use Part 2 Production of Substances Rubber. Rubber is of two types, natural and artificial. Natural rubber is obtained from the gum or sap of trees. Sap is a fluid which is present in trees and it has nutrients in it. This sap is also called as latex. Rubber has a peculiar odor and it is white in color. Vulcanization of rubber. Vulcanization of rubber is a process of improvement of the rubber elasticity and strength. In this process, rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours. To give hardness to the rubber, sulfur is mixed in it. Sulfur is a non-metal which is tasteless and odorless and it is found in yellow color. The proportion of sulfur in the mixture is determined by the purpose for which the rubber will be used. Erasers, rubber balls, rubber toys all have varying or different proportions of sulfur in them. If the hardness of rubber is to be increased, then extra amount or more amount of sulfur needs to be added. In rubber bands, the proportion of sulfur is very small. Paper. Paper is the substance or material formed due to the intertwining or twisting of the cellulose fibers in grass, wood, rags or waste paper. Cellulose fibers are present in plant cell wall. It helps the plant to remain strong. Thus, paper is a kind of network of cellulose fibers. Manufacturing of paper. Coniferous trees like pine are used to make paper. Coniferous trees are mostly found in snowy regions. The bark of the logs of these trees is first removed and the wood is cut into small pieces. The pieces of wood and some chemicals are kept soaking for a long time. It helps to form pulp. When the chemical process is completed, the fibrous or thread-like substances from the wood pulp are separated and some dyes, means colors, are added. The pulp is then passed through rollers, dried to form paper and finally wound on reels. Paper and wood are closely related. To save trees, it is necessary to use paper sparingly. Synthetic fibers or threads. In ancient times, people used to use threads or fibers which were made from natural substances. But now, because of advancement in science and technology, people are using artificial yarn or thread. This artificial thread is a long continuous length of fibers which is used for knitting, weaving, crocheting, etc. Innumerable kinds of synthetic or artificial threads are now available. Nylon, Dacron, Terylene, Terene, polyester, Rayon are the names of various synthetic threads. Nylon. Nylon threads were invented at the same time in New York and London. That is why the initials NY of New York and LON from London were combined to name them nylon. Nylon threads have a shine and they are strong. They are transparent and also water resistant. They are used for clothing, industrial uses. It is also used to make a fish net. It is used as plastic in manufacturing machine parts. Rayon. Rayon is a man-made fabric blended from cotton, wood pulp and other natural or synthetic fibers. It was invented as a cheaper alternative to silk. Cotton and wood pulp is dissolved in a chemical called as sodium hydroxide to make a solution. Threads are obtained from this solution with the help of machines. These threads have shine and strength. They are also said to be synthetic silk. They appeared to be shining bright like the sun's rays and hence they were named Rayon, Dacron, Terylene and Terene. Various hydrocarbons obtained from mineral oils are used to make polymer chains. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds consisting entirely of hydrogen and carbon. Polymer chains are long, continuous chains formed by small interlinked chemical units. A solution of such a polymer is pressed through a strainer with fine holes. The fibers, which are formed after cooling, are long and unbroken. These threads are twisted to obtain yarn. Different types of chemicals are used to make threads of various properties. These different threads have been named variously as Dacron, Terylene, Terene. Advantages and shortcomings of synthetic fibers. Advantages. These fibers can be manufactured on a mass scale. They cost less, they are strong and durable and can be used for a long period of time. They are waterproof and they dry easily. They are lightweight and comfortable to wear. They enhance the appearance of the wearer. Clothes made from these threads are wrinkle-free and scratch-free. Shortcomings. They are water repellent, hence do not absorb sweat from the skin. Continuous use of such clothes can cause skin diseases. Synthetic clothes are uncomfortable to wear, especially in summer. Synthetic fibers catches fire easily. These fibers are not decomposed by microorganisms. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.